guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on everything in the November BOXYCHARM box. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. I have so much holiday content and just content in general coming through the end of the year, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. And let's get into the video. This is what the box looks like this month, and the theme is stellar. The first item in the box is this set of brushes. It's actually by BOXYCHARM. I guess they came out with brushes. So it's these two brushes. They both look like face brushes. And it says that the retail value is $35. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BOXYCHARM branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free, and these are actually not the first product I'm going to put on. I'm already messing this up. The first product I'm going to put on is from the brand Kypris. It's Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, it looks like it's opened, like it's all gooey on the sides. Okay, that's kind of gross. I was wondering why the box was kind of, oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that up. On the pamphlet, it says, Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nourishing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe, and it retails for $90. So I am just going to put a little bit of this on before I put my moisturizer on and see how it feels. It doesn't really have, it has a light scent, but nothing like too offensive. It smells like a spa. It definitely felt hydrating. I did wash my face right before this, and so a lot of times my skin will feel like really stripped after I wash it, especially when it's cold outside. So that did feel moisturizing. It's really tacky right now, so I'm going to let it sit for a minute and then I'll put my moisturizer on, and I will come back to use these brushes with foundation. For foundation, I'm actually mixing two. These are both from It Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye foundation in the shade light medium, and this is the CC cream in the oil-free matte formula, and this is in neutral medium. I'm only mixing them because of the color. Honestly, I kind of interchange these. All of them are semi the same to me, so I don't mind mixing formulas. Okay, this one I'm almost out of, so the pump was a little bit crazy. I'm going to use the smaller brush. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I never use a brush to blend my foundation. I just much prefer a sponge. I think that it just looks better. I like the finish better. Okay, I don't like this. I'm not surprised that I don't like it. I feel like the indentation where your fingers would sit is like not where I want to hold it, and the shape is really weird. No, I'm not a fan of this. Okay, I'm gonna try the bigger one just to see if maybe it'll blend it easier. I mean, if anything, I like the bigger one just because it blends faster and is easier, but yeah, not a fan of these. I'll be interested to know, for those of you that do use a brush, if you got this in your box, do you like it? Because I am probably the worst person to ask about a brush like that, just because I don't really like brushes like that in the first place. I also feel like because the bristles are so densely packed, it's like I have to like move my skin a lot to, I don't know, blend it in. And I don't want to be pulling on my skin at all. Okay, I will say the finish looks good. I just didn't enjoy the application of it. All right, I'm going to put on some more of my makeup and I'll be right back for the next product. All right, I finished up all of my face makeup except for highlight. And in the box is the Highlight Champagne Pop from Becca, but I actually have it in my collection, so I'm just going to use this one. This is what it looks like. This was Jaclyn Hill's collaboration with Becca, and it seems like Becca has just kind of like run with it. They're not collaborating anymore, and they've made an entire collection around this color. But the details on this are an award-winning highlighting powder with an ultra buttery texture that melts into skin for an ultimate high impact glow, and this retails for $38. I actually really love this highlight. Since I already have it, I'm going to throw this one into a little giveaway pile, so next time I do a giveaway, that will be included. I think it is so gorgeous, and it's really good for a lot of different skin tones because it's a champagne color, so it's not super golden, it's not super white, so it definitely works for a lot of people, but it is a crazy intense highlight. And then I'll just take a little bit and put it down the center of my nose. And I am going to blend this out so it'll be more seamless in a minute. Next is this eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Celestial Thunder palette. It has a nice size mirror, and then these are the colors. The top row is all shimmers, and then the bottom is all mattes. To be frankly honest with you, I would never buy this palette. I can't get a complete look out of this. There's no transitions. It's just not a palette that I would ever pick up personally. We're gonna see what we can do with it though. All right, I'm gonna leave my eyeshadow there. I'm going to put some eyeliner and mascara on, and then I'll be right back. All right, I just finished up the rest of my makeup. This is my finished eye look. It's okay. I still would not buy this palette just because I know I wouldn't get enough use out of it, but the shadows blended nicely, and I guess I should just swatch all of the shades for you. Also, I think I said that the top or that the bottom was all matte. It is, but this one is also a matte. I don't know what I was thinking. The colors, I don't know. This is what the colors look like. This I think would be a good topper. So, I don't know. They're pretty. I just don't think that I would buy this. I don't think that I read the description of that palette, but it says, Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life, and it retails for $35. And then the last item in the box is from Tula. This is the Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask Set of 2. Clear Skin Zero Irritation or Acne Gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne, and it retails for $22. The mask actually sounds amazing. I'm excited to use them. It comes with 2 of them, and I've actually never tried anything from Tula. So I am excited about these. Let me just run through everything that I got. So like I said, I am excited to try these. I haven't tried them yet. This palette I could totally pass on and like live life happily. The brushes I didn't like. The highlight, I really like this highlight, but I already had it. And then the serum, it seems nice. It's just like a little bit gross that it came like crusty and gooey on the outside. Other than that, I am excited. I cleaned it up a little bit and I'm going to continue using it because it didn't seem like it was actually open, just that it kind of got a little bit shaken up in shipping. So I will still use it. So that's probably the product that I'm the most excited that I got. Actually, no, the Tula masks are probably the thing that I'm the most excited about getting. But those are kind of my thoughts on what I got this month. I added everything up and this month's box retails for $220, which is a really big value. The serum was $90, so that was like a big chunk of it. But honestly, this box was definitely not one of my favorites. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, do you get BOXYCHARM? Did you get the same box I got? Did you get something different? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.